Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we solve the tutorial 3. The topic of the tutorial 3, organizing and displaying data. We solve this tutorial by SPSS software. Question 1. 25 army nurses were given a blood test to determine their blood type. The data set is as follows and the code of blood groups are. The one is mention the blood group A, and the code 2 mention the blood group 2, and the code 3 is blood group O, and the code 4 is is equal to blood group AB. Data sets in given in coding. The first or part A question is construct a frequency distribution table containing frequency proportion and cumulative proportion of each category through SPSS and construct a bar diagram and pie chart. Also interpret the graphs. To solve this example, first we open SPSS software. It will take some time. We close this first window. Here we create two variables and go to variable view. Our first variable is serial number. We type serial number in name, and our second variable is blood type. We type here blood type in second variable name column. Here type is numeric and width is 8 and decimal places is 2. Here label of the first variable is serial number, and the second variable is blood types or test results. Here second last column show the measure. We select nominal and give the values. Here we have four values or code. Blood group A value is 1, blood group 2 value for B. We put the value in values and label name of blood group, and after adding four values for blood group AB, press add button and press OK button and go to the data view for data entry. Here we put the serial number 1 to 25, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and so on. In blood type, first value is 1, means blood group A, and the second is B, and we press the button value labels show here, and more entry, enter your more values. In the third row is 2 2, 4 2, two, two, three. We enter all values, all 25 values. And corresponding blood group. We complete data entry both values and save our data file in documents, and the name give the tutorial 3 question 1, and save the document location. Press save button. When we press the save button, output viewer is open. Output window. Our first construct a frequency distribution table containing frequency, proportion, and cumulative proportion of each category through SPSS. Here we go to analyze descriptive statistics, frequency options. When we press the frequency option, frequencies window is open. We move our blood test result in variables and press the button OK. Output we will show the blood group frequency table. First column show the frequency, second column show the percent, which is proportion or relative frequency, and the third column show the valid percent when we have a missing data. So the last column is cumulative percent of this data. Now the part 2 construct a bar diagram and the pie chart, also interpret a graph. Go to analyze descriptive statistics frequency, press this button. Our variable blood test is already in variables column, and we press the charts button and select pie charts and frequency and press continue button and uncheck the display frequency table because uh, again SPSS show the again frequency table and press OK button. Here we have the bar chart for this data or variables. Double click here, chart editor is open, and press the data label values button and click on the bars frequency or percentages show, and uncheck. For uncheck, again press this button and change the colors. We select a bar, single bar, and color scheme. Go to color scheme and change the color. One by one we change the color of all bars and close this bar editor. Here the bar charts in mention or present in different colors. For pie chart, we go to again analyze descriptive statistics and frequencies and press the chart button and select the pie chart and continue. Press OK button. Here pie charts show. We double click to open the chart editor and press this button and click the pie chart portion to show the percentage of the portion and uncheck. We again click here and press the uh, button, divide the pies portion in cut and close chart editor. This is our first question solution, and the interpretation is most of the most of the nurses having blood group or blood group O. Both are the same interpretation, pie chart and bar chart. Our second question is a sample survey was conducted in a town. The household were asked about the average monthly amount spent on a specific medicine in rupees. The following data was collected based on the random sample n is equal to 30 household. Here the values is 170.6 rupees, 190.4 rupees, and so on. The last value is 120.4. The part 1 or part A construct a histogram to see the distribution of the data and interpret your result. For this, we open again the data file and close this window and go to create our variables. Here we create two variables. The first variable is serial number. Our n or sample size is 30. So first we create serial number, and the second variable is the amount. Here label is serial number and type numeric with 8 and decimal places is 2 values. Here our serial number variable is scale, so we select the major here scale type, which means the quantitative types of variables. Our second variable name is amount, average monthly amount spent on a specific medicine. Amount here type is numeric, and because it is a continuous variable, we have the decimal places with 2, decimal places is 2 with 8, and the full description of variable is average monthly amount in rupees spent on a specific medicine. We copy this line and paste in the label. Here values column is none and missing none, and column width is 8, alignment is right, and select the measure is scale because it is also the continuous variable, and press the save button. We select the document and type the name of data file is tutorial 3 and question 2 data question 2, and press the save button. Question number 2, and the location is document save. Output viewer open. uh, Here we go to data view to enter the data. Serial number, in serial number column we enter 1 to 30, 1 to 30 because our sample size is 30. And in amount, our first household amount for a specific medicine use, we go to our question. The first amount is 170.6 and 190.4. 190.4, and We enter all 30 observation, and construct a histogram to see the distribution of the data and interpret your result. We go to analyze, descriptive statistics and frequency. Press the frequency button and move this variable, amount variable, average monthly amount variable to the variables, and uncheck the display frequency bar. Press OK button and press chart button. Chart window is open. We select the histogram and press continue button and press OK button. Output we will show the histogram of amount for specific medicine spent. The interpretation of histogram is the m- most of the household 100 having 100 to 200 rupees spent on a specific medicine. This is the interpretation. Please subscribe and like our channel and press bell icon for more videos.